Caught in fence wire, the alder is stoning, turning to gray flint beside the creek bed. The frequency is wintering. The woods are